Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the clasp and chain connection so you know what to fix and why. Determine if the clip is bent, missing, or just loose. Next, pick the right pliers and a bright light. Round nose for curves, flat nose for holding. Once done, remove any broken jump ring using needle nose pliers and clean the area with a soft cloth. This prevents dirt from blocking a repair. Make sure to lay out spare parts in order of size before you proceed to reattach. Now you remove the damaged ring or clip carefully by twisting it open sideways to preserve strength. This prevents deformation and keeps the metal intact. Then, if the clasp is bent, use round nose pliers to gently coax it back into shape, aligning the latch so it seats cleanly. Once aligned, smooth any burrs with a needle file so the spring can move freely. Make sure the reopened ring sits flush before you reclose to prevent snagging or future breaks. To finish, thread the chain end and clasp onto the jump ring, then close it by reversing the twist motion so the ends meet perfectly. This restores tensile strength. Next, cycle the clasp 10 to 20 times while holding light tension to confirm smooth operation. Make sure the latch fully engages each time. If there's still play or the metal cracks, replace with a split ring or a new clasp entirely. And if problems persist, consider a professional jeweler for soldered reinforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.